Essence of publishing book on Amazon KDP is so that your book can be seen and be sold. That you can also make money through Amazon KDP, because that's the primary aim of every self-publisher. So what happens when you publish your book? You make the first sale, the second sale, and you stop selling. Don't worry. Publishing your book on Amazon KDP is just the first step anyone can do. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 practical things you can do to promote your book. Running ads on Amazon KDP is very, very good, but that should be the last option. Ads should come when you've done every other thing and not yet working. You cannot spend money to run ads. Ensure you watch this video to the end. It's going to be very informative, very educative, so that you can promote your book, increase your book visibility, your monthly earnings on Amazon. If you're seeing my video for the very first time, my name is Stacy, and on this channel, I talk about how to grow financial growth through Amazon, other online platforms, and how to grow on YouTube channel. If you love this type of content, all you need to do is to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. And don't forget to share this video so that others can learn one or two. Let's just dive right into the video. Now, publishing your book on Amazon KDP needs to go the extra mile to increase the visibility. First thing on my list, optimize your listing. Now, there is something called listing, which is a page, the first page people see when they click on your book. It has to do with your book title, your subtitle, your description, your author name or your pen name, the keywords you choose when you're publishing your book. These are the things that is on your book. First, the page people see when they click on your book, and the reviews customers have given to you, if there is any. Now, in choosing your book title, you need to be very, very careful. You need to choose a title that is searchable. Like when people go to on Amazon KDP to search your book, on Amazon store to search your book should be the within the 1 to 20. And in choosing your title, you need to be very precise. Like there are some titles that are very broad. You need to niche down your title. For instance, if you're choosing a title like, for instance, gratitude for women, the broad title. And when you choose this title as a beginner, when people search it, many books will come out because many authors have written on that particular title. You need to niche it down. For instance, I can say gratitude journals for women in their 20s or gratitude journal for women in their 50s. Just choose a particular age group to niche down your title so that when people search for gratitude journal, they will see gratitude journal for women in their 20s and your book will be able to choose a title that is searchable and that is very precise. And coming to your subtitle should be able to tell what your book is all about, the benefits of your book, and what people stand to get when they. For instance, let's assume you're choosing gratitude journal for women as your book title. You see there are so many here. So this is you can niche it down to gratitude journal for women in their 20s. Then your subtitle will be something like I say 5 minutes gratitude journals to practice how to cultivate self-love, and I say 5 minute gratitude journals to cultivate self-love and mindfulness. Subtitle is short and precise. You should be able to choose a subtitle that is very precise and tells what people stand to benefit when they buy your book. Then your keyword, you should be able to choose a keyword that is in line with the niche you're writing about, in line with your book, so that when people search, the keywords will lead them to your book. how to optimize your visibility. Second one is your book cover. Your book cover is like the first impression people see when they click on your book. Like the first impression matters. If you're able to create a book cover that is very attractive, you can do this using Canva, or you can pay a professional designer to design a book cover. Trust me, your book cover tells a lot about your book. Some persons buy books because of the book cover. You should be able to spend time to create a very attractive book cover. Remember, your book cover also has your title, your subtitle, or any other design like images. You should be able to design it in such a way that it will attract buyers. I've made a video on how to create book cover. I'll be attaching the link in this video. You want to watch it, you know how you can create a book cover using Canva, how to use Amazon approved prescriptions like mention, all of that to create your book cover, quality book cover that can promote your book, because when your book cover is very attractive and very fine, it's going to increase the visibility. Optimizing your book cover is another way to promote your book on Amazon. The third one is very common that I've seen a couple of people do this. Anyone can do it. The third one is to share your book on different social media platforms like Pinterest and Instagram. You'll be amazed on how the visibility of your book will increase when you do this simple thing. Just share your book cover or the title of your book on Pinterest or Amazon stories or reels and tell people about your book. You can join groups on Facebook that is in line with your book title. Business, parenting, depending on your book title or your niche. And join Facebook groups and share your book there. Ask people to buy, download, or read. Just promote your book by yourself. It's very simple, but it's very effective. Many people are doing it. Something you can just try. You are not spending anything. You don't have an account with some social media platforms. Create one and join groups there and share your book. The first one is also very effective. Many people are doing it, but you need to make some sacrifices. Number four is running a 5-day free promotion to KDP Select. KDP Select is a 90-day program that you choose when publishing your book. It is optional. You can decide not to choose it, but when you enroll on KDP Select, you are agreeing with Amazon that your book will be sold on Amazon alone. You cannot sell it on any other platform. Now, in return, Amazon will give you a 5-day free promotion where many people will see your book, but it will be sold free of charge within that 5 days. Anyone can download your book free of charge within the 5 days out of that 90-day program. They also give you unlimited Kindle readers, but you get paid when people read your book. So many people will see your book and they can read it. Get paid when they read pages of your. So you can do this 5-day free promotion with Select most the possibility of your book. Very, very effective. You can try it. How to do it? Go to your KDP dashboard. You see advertisement and promotion. You just select that and follow the prompts. Enroll on KDP Select and run 5-day free promotion out and increase your visibility of your book. Very, very effective. You just have to sacrifice for that 5 days, buy your book free of charge. After that, they will not pay for it. So another way to promote. The last on my list is to run Amazon ads. This should come as your last option. You must have done the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one, and you're still not recording sales. You can now try running Amazon ads. Trust me, this is very effective. Before you run ads, Amazon ads, you should ensure that your title, order, subtitle, your description, your book cover, your keywords are solid. Not you'll be wasting your money. You need to ensure that these things are in place and they are very, very solid before you run Amazon. And you can start with daily low budget of $2 to $5 and see how it goes. If you're seeing results, you can now increase it. And it is very, very effective. But there is no point running ads when your books are not in order, when your listings are not in order, when your book title, subtitle, your book cover is nothing to write home about. So if you want to run ads on any book, ensure that that book is sellable. That when people click on your book through the ads, you'll be able to buy. That is how you promote your book through Amazon ads. Before you spend money on Amazon ads, ensure your book is in order. Title, your subtitle, your book cover be in order before you spend. Aside that, you can do number one, two, three to four. Trust me, change monthly, your daily monthly sales. And that will be all on the ways to promote your book on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like so that others will see it. If you want me to elaborate more on how to run Amazon ads, leave that in the comment section. I see you again in my next video. Thank you.